My name is Jordan Whitaker and currently I'm studying the top-up of the equine degree. I was interested in horses before I started here. Whilst I came then to Coleg Gwent, I sort of broadened my knowledge within the equine industry. And the best thing about studying at Coleg Gwent is very academic, very science-based. It's really, really interesting. We have fantastic lecturers, fantastic facilities, really good horses. So we've got an indoor arena, we've also got an outdoor arena. We've got a horse walker, turnout obviously for the horses, and we've got some incredible horses as well that's on the yard. Coleg Gwent is quite local to where I live, so it's almost given me the opportunity to study a really good qualification and basically on my doorstep. My overall goals after the degree is to progress to becoming an equine lecturer. I think Coleg Gwent is going to help me get there because obviously all of the skills that has enabled me to gain, all the knowledge from the lecturers. I would definitely recommend a higher education course in Coleg Gwent. The class sizes are much smaller than what you would have at a normal university, so it's much more on a personal level with your lecturers. And also the lecturers are so knowledgeable within their base, and like I said, it will gain you loads of skills for your future careers.